Even though we don't know it, mechanical engineering concepts are applied everywhere around the world. My name is Esther Avila Rodrigues. I was born and raised here in Phoenix, Arizona. I went to Carl Hayden High School, which is a school where the underwater design competition beat MIT in 2004. Robotics was a huge concept at my school. I joined the robotics team, and there I realized that I wanted to go into the sector. I was fortunate enough to get accepted here to ASU Sun Devil, undergraduate here, and then as well with my grad. My sister led me into an organization called SHIP, the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. From there, I blossomed into the character that I am today. The concept of identifying how our energy can impact something else to be able to produce a different type of procedure. If you think about the airbag in your car, the whole concept of the airbag was designed to protect you, but it wasn't something like a cushion. It was meant to just increase your time from hitting the steering wheel. So we know we will still hit the steering wheel, but we're trying to increase that time, in which increases your ability to survive. I am most interested into thermofluids and heat transfer. One of my biggest interests is water purification. My goal is at one point is to be able to understand how to purify this water that we have, be able to input less energy into our water purification methods, and be able to store as much water as we can. This is going to be a huge issue. Water is one of our main sources of living, so this is definitely a global issue that we need to all work together and be able to solve. And just seeing my students' ambition to go through that class, and they ask really interesting questions, it was really inspirational to see that. I really like to learn how people learn. My goal is to make sure that they understand what they need to survive, and then what are the different ways that they can continue forward and establish that and be able to build on it for their own success. So my end goal is to always make sure that I'm there for them, and if they have any questions, I'm here.